My name is Lanay Rodriguez, and we're here at my house on Myrtle Street in Apopka. I have been amazingly blessed by iHeartRadio, WJRR, and most definitely Eustis Roofing with a beautiful new roof for my house. I work for the Apopka Police Department. I'm an investigative analyst with the Criminal Investigations Division. So this is my extended family, and they're such a blessing. Eustis Roofing, I don't know if there's adequate words for Eustis Roofing. They have been such an amazing blessing to me. They have held my hand through this whole process. They have gone above and beyond. They have been there with me every step of the way, and it almost like brings me to tears because this is something I absolutely could not afford on my own. And like I said, they were an answer to my prayers. The radio station, they're amazing. We've done so many community events with them. We've won lots of prizes, and now this amazing prize. Every time we've been at a concert or an event, we met an on-air personality or anybody who works for them. They have been just so friendly and welcoming and just amazing.
You know, that's what I love about radio, is that it touches people individually in their homes, at work, and obviously in life as well too. Enter the contest because people really do win, and it can change your life.
One of the great things about working with iHeartMedia is we're great community partners and have been for decades. We really have. And to have a partner like Eustis Roofing to jump in on this Dream Home Makeover project and provide this brand new roof is just one of the main reasons we love doing these jobs.
We like to put our money where our mouth is. This is just about giving back to the citizens, you know, that live in our community. Our saying is that we want to save homeowners from bad roofers, and we want to take care of people with honesty and integrity. So part of what we're doing here today is just taking care of the people that you know, we all live around as well. It was amazing to give back to Lanay, who was in need, and she broke down in tears when we gave her that first phone call. And you know, I'll say maybe I had a little dust in my eye because I was crying as well. But it's so cool to see what we're able to do. And I know not just for me, our entire team, it really fills our heart to be able to give back to Lanay and the Apopka Police Department.